Bumper removing specialist.
Got it on.
Holy
one snapped, of course.
Holy
Yeah.
You're gonna get a certificate. Hey?
Yeah, man.
Oh, really?
Oh, shit.
Oh, you did it!
Yeah, buddy. Where'd it go?
Bolt extracting specialist. Oh. Hey, do work, bud. Eh? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you going the opposite way?
Oh, phew. False alarm. Here, eat this. I'll give you half a cigarette right now.
Nope.
What?
Nope. I'm greasy. I'm not greasy.
Oh dear. Oh dear. The SRT hood's a good winter hood, you know? It's a good winter hood.
Insurance company is only required to provide treatment funding
Good Lord.
Oh, yeah. Wow, good one. Big sign there. Oh, yeah. I've seen that.
Oh, Lord.
yeah. Fuck, I've seen this place before. A couple of the videos.
Oh, Lord. Careful.
Careful. Hot.
Yeah. I've been here a long time. Holy
So, more shit or less shit?
19,220. Scores! 240. Scores!
That extra 20, man. Maybe I'm the extra 20.
Yeah. Rear end heavy. Ooh, scary. Oh, where? You gotta reposition closer to the back. I was gonna wreck my stuff. Look at the schmut dripping off my rig.
I know that.
Oh my. Holy, look at the forks too, they're just f***ing bent. Too much weight. it's heavy the front.
It's close. All good. Doing a better job with it than I fucking could. I can guarantee you that.
Show them how it's done. Oh!
Yeah, there we go. Fuck yeah.
Perfectly balanced.
Good one.
Thank you.
Oh, we gotta get out of here. That thing's just full of tires and shit. Is it really?
No.
I was gonna say.
There's only 3 in there, but metal 11,788.
Oh, go down. Go down.
Yeah. Oh yeah! Scores! Oh, Sunset Boys. Holy schnikowitz. Just Butawards. How many Butawards?
And they stopped selling 70 proof in the liquor store. I got a taste for that. And then that pissed me off big time. They quit selling it. Here, have a nip of that. It's 30-year-old honey.
30-year-old honey?
So you could call that mead on steroids.
And this is what you mix with your weed?
No, this is what I mix with the alcohol. I use the product, the clear stuff that comes out of the still for my weed. And then the good stuff, the hearts, there's 4 cuts, right?
Oh, yeah.
The first little 3 ounces you throw away or put it in your lawnmower. And then heads, that's, you don't see that at the liquor store often, but heads is where you get a hangover from this shit. Just fucking, you can't pound it very hard, you get a hangover.
It's like Listerine.
And then there's hearts. Oh, fuck, hearts is amazing. You drink it all day long and not get a hangover, not get fucked up. You might get sick if you push it too hard. And then there's tails. It tastes like fucking dog's ass. And that's what they sell at the liquor store.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it.
No worries.
Thank you. You're great, man. Thank you.
Okay, have a good day.
You too.
Not much left of her now.
That much left over now.
Nope. Right on, mister.
Good joke.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
thank you. Have a good day. You got your f***ing wood blade?
Nope, that's actually a steel blade. That one.
Come on!
Long enough.
Parts. Got my hoist back now, so that's good. Maybe I can get Sticky up on there and we'll friggin' give him a grease job and a little how you doing. I don't know, I gotta get him in this shop though. I gotta get the project out of the way because like spring's like right around the corner and I am not ready. You know, I gotta get, it's dump truck season, trap room season, you know what I mean? And all my shit's dicked and it needs to be safety. So we gotta, you know, get our priorities situated. I came in here for something. I got a laser engraver I gotta put together and stuff too, but then all the instructions, my appliance got melted, so I came in here for something. I came in here for something. Oh, it's just a wonder-words day in Inwood today, boys. The concrete didn't even heave this year. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh no. Holy fuck. I apologize, I wasn't aware. I brought an extra blade out and everything. I'll just take that back. Just in case you need
I like the way you
get
think
a little
with your
deeper.
blades, because I do the same thing.
Well, you got to be a little more careful, but you know.
No,
Did you
thank
use
you.
the good wood blade?
You know what? Believe it or not, it actually worked for back here. Because I couldn't get the grinder in there.
Oh yeah?
And then at the very end, the axle dropped and it pinched the blades. I said, you know what? That one is a freebie.
Nice.
No, I apologize for, like I said, I didn't came prepared
Oh, no worries.
for this. But it's nice to know that you have all kinds of, yeah. I wish I would have known that when I brought the 99.
Right on, man.
How you doing?
How you doing? That's pretty neat.
Yeah, it's a chicken coop.
Right on.
Yeah.
Oh, kitty. You look pats? You look pats? Oh, yeah.
A little dusty, but
That'll do the trick.
enjoy.
Right on, man. Much obliged. You too. Oh, he's got project diction too.